What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and tonight we're going to be doing something to the C8 Corvette. It is fair to say it is long overdue. We are going to be tinting the taillights of the C8, but we're not going to be tinting the red parts. We're going to be tinting the reverse lights, the reflectors on the rear and the side. So let's get started. You're going to have two sheets again that are going to come in the packaging. You're going to have the taillight and the reverse light tint. You're going to have another sheet for the side reflectors and the rear reflectors of the taillight. What you're going to want to use is a spray bottle, a clean microfiber towel, and a credit card, debit card, or if you have it, a vinyl tool. Let's get started by cleaning the area that we're going to apply the vinyl, and then we're going to apply the vinyl right here on the side reflector. So this is going to be the passenger side. It's going to line up like so. You want to take your debit card, put it inside the microfiber towel so you do not scratch the car. Another thing you'll need is a blow dryer. Don't judge me for it being pink. That literally took 2 seconds. Let's do the rest of this taillight and then I'll show you the difference between the stock and the tint. Now we're going to do the reflectors. The smaller vinyl is for the inner light. The larger vinyl is for the outer light. Now we're going to move on to the taillights. The top one's going to be the inner taillight, or the reverse light, and then the bottom one is going to be the brake light. Just make sure, like I did, I start on this side and went over. You might have 1 or 2 bubbles. If you heat it up a little bit more, they will come out. This side, it was not exact measurement. So you're gonna wanna use a heat gun or a blow dryer and round off those edges to make it flush. There we go, so that is the finished product on the passenger side. Wow. Do the rear reflectors on the driver's side, starting with the inner reflector. bottom reflectors and side reflector done. Now we're just going to do the reverse lights and we're finished. On the C8 look insane. It's kind of crazy how something so simple could change a car so much. Now I feel like the whole rear end of the car is almost complete. We got to for sure get an exhaust, maybe do something to the diffuser, but in my opinion, the back end of the C8 just looks beautiful. And it just makes me now want to work on the Supra even more. I feel like that the Corvette and all American cars are a little bit more easy to modify. There's some more stuff on the market. The Supra, we might have to change the whole taillight. On that note, which car should we modify next? Should we do something else to the C8 Corvette, or should we do something to the Supra? Let me know down below. Do not forget to hit like to let me know if I'm doing a good job. Do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. We're out.